Hey, fellow plant enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered how much light a plant truly needs? Well, look no further because today we're diving into a groundbreaking experiment on growing lettuce. And trust me, it's more fascinating than you might think. But before we jump in, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get the greenhouse party started. First things first, this lettuce exploration was conducted by the Green Thumbs at the Center for Protected Cultivation Technology in New Delhi, India. They took iceberg lettuce on a hydroponic adventure, and the results are pretty groundbreaking. So let's cover what they did. They played with the lighting time, the photo period, to see how it affects the lettuce. They tried 12 hours, 16 hours, and 20 hours of light each day using special LED lights that mimic sunlight. They conducted this experiment in a vertical hydroponic system. So what's the science magic? They measured something called the daily light integral, DLI, which is basically the amount of light lettuce needs to grow happily. It's like lettuce food for thought. They got some amazing results from growing iceberg lettuce in a vertical hydroponic system with cool LED lights. So, what's the winning formula? After some serious lettuce analysis, the scientists found that the sweet spot was 16 hours a day at 200 micromoles per square meter per second. It's like giving lettuce the perfect conditions to thrive. Now, that's a game changer. Let's break down the science. First up, they checked how much the fresh weight lettuce weighed at different stages. The cool part, the more light meant more weight, but too much light made it drop. It's all about finding that perfect balance. Next, they measured the dry weight. The dry weight refers to the weight of the plant material after it's been completely dried. It increased by 41% with more light initially, but too much light made the lettuce lose its power. Finding that sweet spot is key. They also got into the leafy game. Leaves are like solar panels of lettuce. More light made them grow by 43%, but too much made them shy away. We're all about the Goldilocks zone. Not too little and not too much. And guess what? More light gave us more leaves, especially at 11.5 moles. It's like a leafy party. In addition to the leafy game, they wanted to understand the root to shoot story. The ratio of roots to shoots and how it changed as our lettuce grew. The 16-hour light exposure resulted in healthier and more robust growth patterns, maintaining an equilibrium between the roots and the shoot development. In contrast, the extreme light durations, such as the 20-hour photo period, led to marginal decreases in the physical and growth parameters and a significant drop in resource use efficiency. They even looked at how our lettuce breathes. Photosynthesis went up with more light, but too much made it say, that's enough. It's all about finding that perfect light recipe. The 16-hour light lettuce had the most efficient breathing. It's like giving your veggies a breath of fresh air, literally. And guess what? This lettuce, it's not just greens. It's a vitamin superhero. The 16-hour light lettuce had a vitamin C and antioxidant boost that was impressive and unlike the 12-hour and 20-hour light schedule. So, what do we make of this? Well, lettuce underneath the 16-hour photo period in a DLI of 11.5 emerges as the superhero of growth, nutrition, and efficiency. The journey unfolds with lessons for sustainable indoor farming and a healthier tomorrow. Let's salute our lettuce, a leafy pioneer in the realm of controlled cultivation. So, what's the secret to lettuce success? 16 hours of light, a nutrient-rich liquid party, and voila, lettuce magic. Thanks to these scientists, we got a cost-effective, resource-efficient, and nutrient-packed lettuce solution. Remember this next time you're enjoying your salad. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think about this video. Happy growing, agripreneurs!